How to link PayPal to Venmo in 2023. My name is Ali and I will walk you through on how to link PayPal to Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. It's so easy. Just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you or explain to you in this video and you're gonna be able to link PayPal to Venmo, okay? So the first thing that we need to do is to go to your phone, okay? Okay, and after going to your phone, you just need to go to Venmo app and open it. Alright, so after opening Venmo app, what you need to do next is to go to settings. You just need to click on it. Okay, after clicking on settings, you're gonna find payment methods. Click on it. Okay, and after clicking on payment methods, you're gonna find here plus, and next to plus, add bank or card. You just need to click on it. And here we have bank card. We just need to click on bank. Okay, so select bank, and after selecting bank, you just need to enter the information of your PayPal, including the email associated to your PayPal account, and then confirm it. Okay, and like this you're gonna be able to link PayPal to Venmo. It's not something difficult at all. As I told you, it's so easy. Just some simple steps that you need to follow and you're gonna be able to link PayPal to Venmo. That would be it, and I will see you in the next video.